acompañamos. Halledecek kestiler. Oraya bir tane elektrik
Elif'ten ayakkabı al ayakkabı. Nasıl gelecek?
That later ended up with Portugal and Spain being freed from Napoleon with the help of typical human story. Enemy of the enemy becomes his friend. That's basically what happened. The other two last, I can summarize your stories to go. There are difficult things. One was without war. The worst thing
No, pues hacer una foto. claro, 3 personas, 4 personas es fácil ir a comer, pero 8 personas no pueden. Hay otra de
Ya la vi. Oro. ¿Compramos solo? Ah, yo digo, me tomo la cerveza, pero tampoco es...
I know, but they do it.
6:25, realistic, like actually leaving, no? 6:25.
No son un año.
Por aquí la Plaza Cataluña.
De